And let's go to the first one. The first one, it's this laundry sheet. Okay, so a concept that is quite new for a lot of people. I wasn't very familiar before I started working for WHITECAT, but this is something that will change the way you wash your clothes. Okay, so what is this? What are laundry sheets? So basically they are water soluble and disposable, highly concentrated laundry detergent sheets. So they act as laundry detergents, right? So you can hand wash, you can put on the washing machine. It works on hot and cold water. It goes basically as a regular washing liquid detergent, but it solves all these problems that we have when we are using the liquid one, which is difficult to control the dosage. How much do you put? Do you put a lot, a little bit? Sometimes high foaming and difficult to clean. Some stains that you cannot take it. Yeah, it makes the clothes go yellow. With this one, your problems are solved. You don't have to try to oh, how much do I put or whatever. These ones are the solution to solve your problems. One tablet, let me show you here. We are going to experiment here in a moment. Just let me quick show you here. So you can open here, right? And here are all the sheets. So let me take one for you. So basically, this is it. It looks like a piece of paper, but you can feel on the texture that it doesn't. That it's like a chemical material. Okay. So one tablet, one little sheet of paper, it meets your demand. Okay. So one piece can be done. It has a concentrated formula. So as it's soluble on water, you will see that in a minute. It has 8 times the cleaning power. So very, very good. It has this enzyme formula, so it has color protection, lasting fragrance. It's smelling very good here in the studio. I wish you guys could smell through the phone because it's very, very good. It has a plant extract, so no damage to your clothing. It's super fast dissolving. You will see here in a moment that I will put it on the water. It's swirl a little bit and it will just go away. Super, super fast. And low foam, so it's easy to rinse off, making sure there's no chemical residuals on your clothes. But Arthur, what are the advantages of using this piece of paper instead of my regular liquid detergent or my powder one? Why would I choose these ones instead of my regular one? Well, first of all, these are eco-friendly and biodegradable. Well, so no fluorescent agent, no paraben, no phosphorus added. Basically in line with all European and American standards of protection, okay? Something that is very important to say, this is the WHITECAT packaging, okay? But this, we can customize, this is Status, this is one of our new designs, but we can customize according to your needs. So if you have your own brand, Arthur, I don't want to have my WHITECAT, can I have my own? Yeah, sure, we can customize the packaging according to your needs. So just provide us with the design and then we can do that, okay? So let me just show you here, all right, our laundry thing. Let me put here, and I will start, put here, 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 here. It just starts swirling. Let me put back here. Oh. And it's already dissolving. It's already dissolving. You can see how fast, and I'm not even moving that fast because I want you guys to see. So in a matter of seconds, it's already dissolved. Yeah. Yeah, dissolved. So you see, dissolves super fast, and I'm not even using a washing machine. I'm using my hand here to swirl this thing, and you can see that it goes super fast. So these sheets, okay, regular prices are $1.99. On our live stream here with me today, we are having 5% off, so these ones are going for $1.89 only, okay? So these laundry sheets going for $1.89. You just saw how fast it dissolved, so super, super good, going for $1.89. Okay, let me check some comments. A lot of people are asking here. Hi, I want some samples. I'm from Pakistan, Karachi. Hello, Pakistan, and thank you so much for watching me. It's a pleasure to be here. Well, if you want samples, someone from our team will contact you, all right? Someone will get in touch with you. And so in order to get you some samples, someone from our team will get in touch with you. Hello, I have followed your live stream. Looking forward to your content. Thank you so much. That's awesome. A lot of things nice are happening.